In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect your soundbar to your Insignia TV. So let's get started. Now, you want to start this off by turning off both your TV and the soundbar so everything connects cleanly. Now, once that's done, you want to look at the back or side of your Insignia TV and identify the available audio output ports. The most common and recommended option is HDMI ARC, which stands for audio return channel. If your TV has an HDMI port labeled ARC, this will give you the best sound quality and allow the TV remote to control the soundbar volume automatically. So if your soundbar already supports HDMI ARC, connect one end of an HDMI cable to the HDMI ARC. Right here. Okay, so you want to connect one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI ARC port on the Insignia TV, which would be in this case right here, as you can see it labeled HDMI 1 ARC, as you can see. And the other end of the HDMI ARC port, HDMI cable, you'll connect to the HDMI ARC port on the soundbar, which is the output. So after connecting the cable, you want to turn both the devices back on, and using the TV remote, open the settings menu and go to audio or sound settings and set the audio output to HDMI ARC or external speakers, whatever the name is. And at the same time, you want to switch the soundbar's input source to HDMI or ARC using its remotes or buttons. Once set correctly, sound from the TV should now play through the soundbar. Now, obviously, if your TV does not, or if your soundbar does not have the HDMI ARC, the next best option would be an optical audio cable, and that looks something like this. Obviously, it really just depends on what ports are matching with your soundbar and your TV. So if it's maybe not even audio cables, your optical audio cables, you could maybe have an AUX cable port, a 3.5 millimeter AUX cable, or perhaps an RCA cable, depending on what ports in your soundbar and your TV support. It really depends on that, and you could use any of these cables. Obviously, the HDMI ARC would be the best option. But if none of them really match, and maybe if your soundbar maybe supports Bluetooth, you can pair it wirelessly by enabling Bluetooth on the soundbar and then opening the Bluetooth menu on your Insignia TV, and then select the soundbar from the list of available devices and wait for the connection to complete. While Bluetooth is convenient, it may introduce slight audio delay, especially when watching videos or gaming. And that's why I was recommending the wired options first, because they don't have these delays, especially the HDMI ARC option, which is the best. So anyways, once connected using any of these methods, test the sound by playing a video or adjusting the volume if needed. Disable the TV's internal speakers in the audio settings for best experience, and your soundbar should now be fully connected and ready to deliver louder, clearer, and sound from your Insignia TV. So anyways guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.